You know what's strange about starting things at 55? You're learning things most people figured out decades ago: technology, confidence, creativity. And at first, it feels embarrassing. Like everyone else got the manual and you somehow missed the meeting where they handed it out. You watch people move quickly, they seem comfortable. They already know what buttons to press, what words mean, how everything works. And you feel like you're starting from zero. But something unexpected happens when you start learning everything late. You stop trying to impress people and you finally start building something that actually matters to you. For the first time in my life, I'm showing up for something every day. That sentence still surprises me because for most of my life, I thought discipline was something other people had. People who woke up early, people who finished projects, people who stuck with things. I thought they were just built differently. They were more focused, more driven, and more capable. And I assumed that just wasn't me. But something strange happened when I started this channel. I didn't suddenly become disciplined. I became interested enough to keep going, curious enough to keep learning. And curiosity can carry you farther than motivation ever will. I have worked on my channel every single day for the last 7 months. Not perfectly. Some days it's filming, some days it's editing, some days it's just thinking about ideas or trying to understand something technical that confused me the day before. But every single day I show up, and that is something I have never done before. For most of my life, I thought the problem was discipline, but now I see something different. When you're younger, you chase excitement. You chase things that feel impressive, things that look good from the outside, things that move quickly. But excitement fades, meaning doesn't. When you're older, you chase meaning, and meaning creates consistency. That's why this feels different. I'm not working on this channel because I think it's going to make me famous. I'm not doing it because it looks impressive. I'm doing it because it makes me feel alive. It wakes something up in my brain. It makes me curious, and curiosity has a quiet power. When you're curious, you don't need someone pushing you. You lean forward. You want to figure things out. You want to improve. You want to understand what you didn't understand yesterday. And slowly, without even realizing it, you become someone who shows up. You become someone who sticks with things. That's the part nobody talks about when it comes to learning things later in life. People think it's a disadvantage. They think if you start later, you're just playing catch up. But I'm starting to believe the opposite might be true. You're learning everything late, and that's exactly why you're finally doing it right. When people learn things early, they often do them for approval, for grades, for validation, for someone else's expectations. But when people learn things later, they do them because something inside finally woke up. That's the beauty. You're not chasing approval anymore. You're chasing alignment. You're building something that feels like it belongs to you. And that changes the entire experience. You're more patient. You're less embarrassed about being new. You care less about looking impressive, and you care more about understanding, about growth, about showing up again tomorrow. For most of my life, I thought discipline was something other people had. But now I think discipline might actually be something that grows out of interest, out of curiosity, out of meaning. When something matters to you, you come back to it, even when it's awkward, even when you feel inexperienced, even when you're learning things most people figured out 20 years earlier. And strangely enough, that might actually be the advantage. Because when you learn things later, you appreciate them differently. You're not rushing. You're not trying to prove something. You're paying attention. You're noticing what's happening. You're understanding the layers. And that depth changes how you build. So if you feel like you're learning everything late, technology, confidence, creativity, or even just the ability to finally show up for something that matters to you, I want you to consider a different possibility. What if you're not late? What if you're just finally ready? What if the timing of your life prepared you for this moment in ways you couldn't see before? Because when I look at my own life now, I don't see someone who started late. I see someone who finally woke up to what matters, and that shift changes everything. So I'm curious about something. Is there something in your life that you feel like you're learning later than everyone else? Is it technology, confidence, creativity, or maybe just the ability to finally show up for something consistently? And if that's happening later in life, what if that's not a mistake? What if that's exactly when it was supposed to happen?